Hello everyone, this is Shunku again. So previously showed you the condition of the spinach and the red spinach plants. There was a little bit growth, but right now all the plants have grown up. And let me show you the things that these plants are. So these are the main plants. A lot of have grown up right now. Yes, previously it was not showing up, so I was a little bit tensed, but right now it is grown up. Yes, there is a small ant. These are like 2 inches tall, and the red spinach are like 1 centimeter, 1 inch, sometimes 1 inch, sometimes 1 centimeter. There are 2 leaves. There are mainly 2 leaves, and there is a single large, the main leaves are coming out from red spinach. 1 or 2 main leaves. Yes, these are the condition right now. I actually forgot to upload this video previously because there is rainy and there was no sunlight, so the video quality was not going to be good. So but right now the skies are cleared up and there is a lot of sunlight and the soil is actually dried up, and I applied those fertilizers and the plant are right now very good. So I'll keep you updated for the next video. Wait for the next one.